Esteemed Chairman, Sir, directors, all functional directors of OMC, Regional CEO of Apollo Hospital, Bhubaneswar, Mr. Sudhir Kumar, and my all colleague in field, especially my all RMs, mining managers, and OMC team. Sir, I welcome to this nice occasion, sir. In fact, we were waiting for this day since long, but availability of vaccination was issue in market. And first and foremost, I want to thank government because we have got lot many our employees covered from field and head office. Head office, in fact, 100% covered by now. Sir, with due approval of Chairman, sir, we have decided to go for 10,000 employees vaccination. And in first phase, sir, we are starting today from Badbil, where almost 2,300 employees and their family member will be benefited. This will go for 4 days. Per day, we are expecting 500 beneficiary to be covered. After that, we'll go to Detari, then Gandhamardan, then JK Road and Raigada. Our Kurmitar, our Koidas region has been covered by administration fully, sir. Here, sir, we are having basically 3 stakeholders for logistic support, especially local dispensary facility availability, cold chain security, data entry in CoWIN, and local dispensing requirement. We are meeting from OMC side. Apollo with their team headed by administrator and logistic team, 2 nurses for vaccination purpose. These are vaccinators and 1 emergency trained nursing staff for AIF activities. This support we are getting from Apollo, and local administration has allowed us for these vaccination center declaration and other support system, especially data entry and all. With this, sir, we are thankful to Chairman, sir, and my field team. At this difficult time, they are doing a great job, and we will be doing whatever possible to handle this difficult time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request our Honorable Chairman to inaugurate the vaccination drive at Badbil. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Balwant, for having taken this entire exercise on your shoulders and proving again that OMC is concerned about its people who work in the field. It's not that people sitting in Bhubaneswar are important for us. For us, it is the field functionary who are the foot soldiers of this organization. And this corporation will do everything possible to ensure to protect our workers and their families. And I think this is a very good step, because when our people are working in such challenging times, getting the vaccination at their doorstep gives a lot of confidence, as well as protects them from the challenges that are being thrown by the COVID virus, right? So I would not like it to be a very long thing, but let us inaugurate the vaccination program. I also thank the Apollo people, the doctors, the nurses, and the paramedics who are accompanying the team for helping us in this endeavor of ours. Should we start the inauguration part?
Thank you, sir.
I now declare the vaccination program inaugurated.
Now I would like to India IT, who is